बिग बॉस के घर में काफी सारे अप्स एंड डाउन नजर आते हैं। कुछ भी कॉमन या कुछ भी सेम नहीं होता है बिग बॉस के घर में। जो कुछ आपने पिछले सीजन में देखा होगा उससे हट के होगा इस सीजन में। जी हाँ दोस्तों, यू कैन नेवर प्रेडिक्ट व्हाट इज एक्चुअली गोइंग टू अनफोल्ड इन बिग बॉस का घर। वेल रिसेंटली सारा गुरपाल एविक्ट हुई थी बिग बॉस के घर से एंड शी एक्चुअली टर्न आउट टू बी द फर्स्ट कंटेस्टेंट टू बी एविक्टेड फ्रॉम द हाउस। सारा के एविक्शन से फैंस एंड ऑडियंस काफी ज्यादा नाराज थे और उनसे ज्यादा हमारी टीवी फ्रेटर्निटी एंड पंजाबी फ्रेटर्निटी नाराज थी इस बात से कि सारा गुरपाल को घर से एविक्ट कर दिया गया। Well, Sara Gurpal's eviction was unfair and also Sara was seen blaming the whole eviction on senior Siddharth Shukla for her elimination. Well, the Punjabi singer-actress alleged that Nikki Tamboli was inhuman during the task and actually injured her eye. But a greeting portal के साथ exclusively बात करते हुए, the actress also opened up about the turbulent married life and denied the allegations made by her husband. जी हाँ दोस्तों, सारा जब घर के अंदर थी, उनके एक्स हस्बैंड ने उनके बारे में काफी सारी बातें और क्लेम्स किए थे। उनके हस्बैंड ने कहा था कि सारा ने उनसे शादी सिर्फ और सिर्फ ग्रीन कार्ड के लिए और फेम के लिए किया था। अब जब सारा घर के बाहर आ गई हैं, सारा ने इन सारे क्लेम्स के बारे में खुलकर बात करी है। सारा ने कहा, she does not have a green card and that Tushar was lying to get its 2 minutes of fame and indeed he did get it. सारा ने पिन पॉइंट करते हुए कहा, my eviction was totally unexpected. Well, सारा ने इस बारे में खुलकर बात करी और कहा that we were just chilling inside the house when suddenly my name was taken. I don't know where I failed. I was performing a task well and I was doing the other things also. Even though I was not keeping well, I still gave my best. If I wanted, I could have also made issues about my injury and created a scene inside the house, like how the others did for their fake nails. But I did not stoop so low because that's not my nature. I did not give that much importance to it. I decided to concentrate on the game and suddenly my name was taken for eviction. Not just me, even all the housemates were shocked along with me. Well, इसी को बात को आगे बढ़ाते हुए सारा मानती हैं कि that her eviction should have actually been left on the audience to make a final choice. I feel 1 week is too less to judge anyone. I'm not saying I was the most deserving one to stay inside the house. I fought at least and did tasks to stay inside the house. I was unwell, had fever, would go inside to take injection. Despite all that, I was coping with all of that. I still performed and I wanted to be a part of the house itself. I wanted to be confirmed from being rejected contestant. I did not know how it was shown, but I did my best. After coming out of the episodes, I have seen, I think Jan, Rahul and Nishant were not at all seen. The response also I'm getting is overwhelming. If I really was so bad, the audience wouldn't have shown me that much of love and respect that they're showing and showering upon me now. I'm not saying that I was seen too much, but I was doing better than the 3 or 4 others out there, getting into that mode also. As I said earlier, 1 week is barely any time to know one person. Also, I feel that the makers planned the conduct in a less than for any contestant. Also, I feel if the makers planned to conduct an elimination, they should have given it to the decision in the hands of the audience and not one person or the Tufani seniors. उन्होंने ये तक कहा कि वो ये बिलीव नहीं कर सकती हैं कि सिद्धार्थ शुक्ला कामयाब हुए हैं मैनिपुलेट करने में not one but 2 strong-headed women like गौहर खान and हिना खान. Well, Sara ने कहा that I feel that my eviction was completely unfair because the seniors were given the decision to choose a contestant. When I was inside the house, I could hear the discussion and it was between Nishant and Rahul. But suddenly, Siddharth Shukla came and took my name from nowhere. Hina and Gauhar both were against it. But Siddharth was totally against me. Gauhar and Hina both are such independent and strong women. I don't know how he manipulated them. And they agreed to the decision. Though they told him that this time they agree and the next time he will have to listen to them. It was very evident that they were against my name. It was very surprising and from nowhere, Siddharth took my name. He did not have any strong reason to back it. If we see everyone in the house loved me and I had 1 nomination. Out of the 3, 2 seniors were in my favor, so there was no reason to take my name. Siddharth did not give any reason to the public also. Not only that, उन्होंने ये क्लियर किया कि सारी पब्लिक, सारे फैंस और सारी ऑडियंस सिद्धार्थ शुक्ला को ब्लेम करते हैं सारा गुरपाल के एविक्शन के लिए. Everyone is asking on social media, who is Siddharth to decide and evict me? If it was a show about public voting, why give the chance to the Tufani seniors? The show had 13 seasons in the past and it has never happened that one person has taken a decision to evict the another contestant. I never saw Siddharth taking the authority to being a senior responsibility before. यहाँ तक कि सारा ने कहा that maybe Siddharth and Nikki are similar people, इसीलिए सिद्धार्थ निकी तंबोली जैसी लड़की को पसंद करते हैं. Well, उन्होंने कहा, I won't say that he's biased towards Nikki, but you know how it is. Sometimes people like someone when they have a similar nature. Nikki takes a stand on illogical things, so people feel that she's least taking a stand. For me, when someone talks about real issues, then person is the right person for me. Someone who's giving preference to heels over others' undergarments or basic necessity, then that person is at fault. But if someone like Siddharth Shukla feels that taking a stand on illogical things is the right thing, then that is his personal choice. If he is liking her, taking her side, it is completely his decision. It is like a parent supporting a child knowing he or she is going to go wrong. I feel he's disgracing himself by supporting Nikki and taking such decisions. Not only that, सारा गुरपाल ने खुलकर बात करी वाइल्ड कार्ड की तरह घर के अंदर एंटर करने के लिए। सारा ने कहा, if I would given a chance to enter back inside the house as a wild card, I would love to go inside because I want to show people I'm a deserving contestant and I'm capable of it. I know I am much deserving and I want to tell everyone that the decision taken by one person was wrong. He can't decide my fate at all. I want people to know me and like me and love me for who I am. I want to show that person Siddharth by earning the votes that are deserved in the show. इसी के बाद सारा नजर आई खुलकर बात करती हुई अपने एस्ट्रेंज्ड हस्बैंड तुषार के क्लेम्स के बारे में। जी हाँ दोस्तों, सारा ने कहा, I don't understand why he chose to speak now and I was quiet all this while. Why suddenly when I went inside the Big Boss 14 ka ghar, he came out and spoke about it? Why suddenly you had to come out and talk now? I want to ask him if he wants to go inside the Big Boss 14 ka ghar. If I would have been flirting with boys in the house or behaving weird, and then he would have come out and talked about all this, I would have understood. But suddenly, what made you speak? I don't want to give him any limelight. He's making things out of nothing. He is himself saying that in all the interviews that we have been separated since last 5 years. When he's saying that, means I'm single. He wanted his 2 minutes of fame, and that's the reason he's doing all of this thing. सारा ने क्लियर करते हुए कहा कि वो वाकई में एक अब्यूसिव रिलेशनशिप में थी तुषार के साथ। सारा ने कहा, he is no one to deny the allegations that I have made against him. It was an abusive relationship and he is no one to deny it. I will prove it in the court. He can deny as much as he wants in the media. उन्होंने ये तक कहा that Tushar should be ashamed of making such statements on national television. There was a lot of reasons behind the relationship going kaput. I don't want to give him little importance now. I am proud to say that I am single because he has not been a part of my life since the last 5 years. I don't want to give him importance because he means nothing to me. He can continue talking about it. I regret the decision and keeping quiet with whatever happened with me. I should have not kept quiet. The day it happened to me, I should have spoken about it. Now I know what to do. He wants to pull me down and I don't want to give him any importance. He wants to be ashamed for making such statements. Who gave him the right to defame me at all? Last but not the least, Tushar had claimed that I got married to him for green card and is baseless as I don't have one. Well, this is what shocked the fans and audience. Well, Sara ne clear kiya. I want to clear one thing. The claim that he is making in the statement that I married him for green card is completely and solely baseless. He is just making it up and lying. I asked him to come ahead and prove it. I never married a guy for a green card. I am an artist and it is very easy for me to get green card on the basis of my talent. I don't have a green card and that itself proves that he is lying. If I had a green card, what am I doing here? If he's making a statement that we did not get along and I left him for work, just see how he's stopping me to get ahead in life. I took a decision to stand for myself and I took a decision to not be in a relationship where I'm getting really hurt mentally, physically and emotionally. The entire Punjabi industry was looking for me, where the hell I am. He took the decision and asked me to leave the industry and get out of here. He never wanted me to work as he was jealous. In that jealousy, he came out with songs and now he's trying to get his 2 minutes of fame again when I was inside the BB14 ka ghar. He has been torturing me on social media through my family. He's posting my personal pictures everywhere. He's doing a lot and I don't want anyone to give him that footage. That is my personal thing and I want to deal with it personally. भले कहना गलत नहीं होगा, सारा ने खुलकर बात करी है अपने इस रिलेशनशिप के बारे में एंड वी कैन रियली होप कि इस सिक्के के दूसरे पहलू के बारे में हमें बहुत जल्दी पता चले। आप हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर बताइएगा अगर आप सारा गुरपाल को घर के अंदर एक बार फिर घुसते हुए देखना चाहते हैं। Until then, stay tuned to Telly Chakkar for all the more updates for the Telly world. Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.